Ang Quinta Committee, hahalukayin daw ang katotohanan sa likod nitong tinawag nilang bigas scam ng mga supermarket. Sabi nila, itong akusasyon, yung mga well-milled rice, naku, binebenta daw as, dinelabel as premium rice. Binebenta na ng 70 pesos per kilo sa supermarkets. Ang kinikita, 30 pesos per kilo. Ang kita ha, ang tubo. So, iimbitahan kayo, yung mga kinatawan na supermarket, sa susunod nilang pagdinig. Eto, may katotohanan ba itong nakuhang impormasyon, particularly ni Albay Representative Joey Salceda? Steven?
Well, yeah, busy ng supermarkets. 1 week to go before Christmas, no? Christmas Day. So, most likely, wala nang kaming oras para magsalin pa ng bigas, no? Maybe dapat kasama sa investigation or tawagin nila yung mga taga-palengke. Kasi di naman namin tinuturo yung fingers namin sa mga taga-palengke, kaya lang, the rice miller, I mean, those who sell rice dealers and traders, no? That's all they sell, rice, di ba? Kami, we sell a lot of other items, di ba? So, wala lang kaming oras para gawin yun, no? Para lang dagdag kita, no? Sino ba ayaw ng dagdag kita, pero not that way.
So you're in effect saying that this is not a practice that supermarkets do, that you repack. Kasi sometimes, 'di ba, yung mga supermarkets talaga they come in 2 kilos, 5 kilos. So
Para
you just
tinginan, no, na bag.
So do you get that na lang from the rice traders, but the supermarkets do not repack it themselves? Ganun ho ba 'yon?
That's a very good point, Pat. No, some supermarkets, in fact, do repack. No, we do repacking because yun na nga, it's cheaper to buy by the sack, 50 kilos loose rice, no, and then repack it whatever size na kailangan ng customers namin, no. But however, I think no supermarket worth its salt. In say, yung ilang taon mong build up, no, all these years you used to build up your name, sisirain mo over something like this, no. I mean, thinking that hindi mahalata ng customer na pag pinalo mo yung well-milled rice with other types hindi mahalata ng customer, di ba?
Oo. No, I'll just follow that up rin, Steven, no. Yung mga presyo ba ng bigas ngayon sa mga supermarket, based sa monitoring ninyo, how much is the highest? How much is the most expensive na Kasi it was quoted here in the research na 70. Ako, I go to the supermarket and I told you that's my happy place. I haven't naman come across any kind of rice at 70 pesos per kilo. But would you know how much is the highest price of rice being sold at supermarkets now?
Okay, number one, I don't. Number one, because yun ang rice ay fresh produce yan, no? Hindi siya katulad ng manufactured goods na dilata, no? Or anything which comes in a standard form, no? So, you can, count apples to apples. So, compare apples to apples, no? Hindi apples to oranges, no? Means say, ang bigas, napakaraming klase, di ba? So, even though yung mga magaling na pilates ng bigas, ay minsan nahirapan dahil sa dami ng klase. As to whether it's mixed or not, no, ang hirap sabihin. Pero as to how much, and then freewheeling ang price na. When I say freewheeling, I'm not saying, abusive pricing ang ginagawa ng retailers. I'm just saying, mahirap i-compare itong sako or itong pack of rice compared to another pack of rice, saying na, someone will be saying na, claiming and saying that mas masarap tong bigas na to, kaya mas mahal ng kaunti, di ba? So, it's, mangilatis bilang mamimili, no? Bilang consumer, learn to practice some discerning abilities, no, in finding out whether a product is worth its price or not. Sulit o hindi, di ba?
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.